Good morning, my name is Ian if you haven't came across my videos before, and this morning, well the last 2 weeks, nearly the end of 2 weeks now that I have been staying here at Universal Orlando Resort, and this morning I am back at Universal Studios Florida, parked behind me, because this morning I have booked, well I have a tour, I booked this a while ago. I have behind the scenes, a 3-house behind the scenes tour, or behind the screams. Basically unmasking the horror it's called, and there is 3 houses. You can do 6 houses and 3 houses. I am doing the 3-house tour and I cannot wait. This is something new. I wanted to do a few new things this year, and this year I have done that. I have done so many. I've done premium scream night, I have done Halloween Horror Nights opening night, and last night I was at the RIP tour, which was just a VIP experience, getting through all the houses and just getting the treatment, the RIP, the VIP treatment for Halloween, all things Halloween Horror Night in regards to the houses, that is. So that was yesterday's video, or last night's video, but I'm back, the sun's out, it's really nice day today, but we're going to be going into 3 houses. I'll show you the 3 houses, I'll go through some of the information, the details, so you do get an email breaking down the houses. It could be 3 random houses, 6 random houses that they decide, and they'll tell you the information on that. So yeah, the check-in is, my check-in time today is 10 AM, and you go to the VIP door, and I'll show you all that as well. You just go to the right hand side of the main arch you see behind me. Right hand side you'll see the kind of VIP entrance experience door. They might even have behind the scenes sign up as well. So that's today's video. I am going to enjoy that today, and then we'll see how the rest of the day goes, but mainly today is going to be that video. So join me today on an exclusive tour of these houses. I can't record inside the houses, I don't think. I think I can take photos at certain areas and I'll put those photos in, but we'll see how it goes. So let's go. So you will receive an email looking like this, and basically the information is, it's a 3-house behind the scenes unmasking the horror tour, and it is 2.5 hours long. So my houses today is going to be Hatchet and Chains, Demon Bounty Hunters, Dolls Let's Play Dead, and a Grave of the Flesh. It does say subject to change and availability, but this is something that I wanted to do because again it's new, it's something to add to my very long to-do list here at Universal. And I have been here before a few years ago for Halloween Horror Nights, and then I thought I'm going to go back, and I have done that this trip, and it's been absolutely fantastic, amazing. Hopefully you've enjoyed the videos so far on my channel. Hopefully hit subscribe and stick around. Let's get moving, let's see how the day goes. Cannot wait. Just love standing here and taking it all in as well. But who knows how long the video is going to be, because I can't record, but I'm going to give a lot of information out there, and I'm sure they'll let us take some photos as well. And like I say, it's all about the experience for myself today, but I'll try and say as much as I can, show as much as I can, and of course make it as enjoyable as possible. I'm going to be in the park as well, but this experience does not include the park entry, so you don't get access to the park for this. It's a separate tour, but I do have an annual pass, and I might just obviously make a little bit of a day of it. If I do that, it may be a separate video, but let's just go with the flow. So anyway, let's get moving, let's get inside. That was good timing with that music. That was not meant. So there you go, you do have signs. Unmasking the horror tour check-in. So follow these signs, which will take you right over there, which is where I'm heading to. Oh, all checked in. Checked in pretty early, to be fair, about half an hour early, and going up the stairs. I have not been up these stairs for any of these experiences yet, so let's get going up. Here we go. Unmasking the Horror Tour. Loving all the little Halloween touches they have here. The boo scared me. And the skull. Right, let's go for this. Oh, okay. What's the best ones? What's the
I know, right?
What's the best seat?
Let's see. Well, from here you can see the TV.
Okay.
And from there you can see everyone go to the bathroom.
TV
Just
is?
walk to the bathroom.
No worries. Cool.
And the buttons are yours.
Ah, right, okay, cool. I have been taken to my table and been given this pin. Look at this, Treehouse Behind the Screams pin. And this awesome specific lanyard. Look at that, Unmasking the Horror 2025 lanyard. I've really been collecting the lanyards on this trip. So, let's go, let's see what it has in store. Some free water. It's time for the tour. Now entering the backstage area for our first house. Like I say, I'll be taking some photos where I can, when I'm allowed to. I also have been given this earpiece so I can hear the tour. Don't know if you can hear it. So, here we go, first house. One house down, first house down, grave of flesh. Like I say, I can't record inside the houses, but I will put in some clips and photos that I can take. Really, really cool seeing with the lights on. So different. On the way to the next house. And who do we have? Not only but the Blues Brothers. Just sitting, relaxing, chilling. Taking a break just now, a toilet break. Really cool with the earpiece, I really like that. You can hear your tour better, so that's a good idea. I believe up next is Dolls Play Dead. This is a really, really creepy house for me, where you shrink down the same size as a doll and you walk through the house, so I think that's next. On to the next house. Those dolls were very, very, very spooky. I just love the story. But yeah, what's this? Hatchet and Chains next. Cheers. Oh, first, high five it.
Thank you.
And there we have it. The 3-house tour has came to an end. We have parted ways just next to the Men in Black ride, and I am heading out of the park because I have enjoyed that tour, but I'm going to go get something to eat, and we can recap in a moment once I'm out the park. I think that was really cool. Something to add to your visit, in my opinion. Well, where do I start? That kind of rounds off, caps off my Halloween Horror Night experiences. I have been very lucky to have whilst here back at Universal Orlando Resort. Well, there you have it. I was actually very surprised with the amount of photos that I was allowed to take, which I think is amazing. So thank you for allowing that to happen through the tours, and the tour guide, absolutely amazing. I've got a lanyard to add to my collection. I've also got the button to add to my collection. Next time I will consider the 6-house tour if they do the tours again. Just for me, it kind of rounds off, like I say, rounds off everything that I have done on this trip. Would I do things differently? Yes. Have I learned things doing this again? Yes. There's so many different things. I have been very lucky. I have worked very hard to do the experiences that I have done on this trip, and I would probably miss a few things out here or there, which I'll recap on my social media, not for this video. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. You know what to do. Support the channel, hit subscribe. I really do appreciate the support, and I cannot wait to keep bringing content to this channel. So thank you all for watching. Until the next video, take care. Bye for now.